Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning. Today, it's time for math, and we're going to start off with Group Unstoppable. Group, keep turning your books to math page 257. Turning your books to math page 257. Number one, simply ask us to write the before and after numbers by 10. So I wrote a few examples on the board to try to help us solve number one. Let's start off with the first question problem that we do have, 70. What comes before 70 but by 10? By 10. Remember in the past we worked with ones, we worked with twos. Now we're working with tens. What comes by 10 before 70? 60. Great job. What comes after? So we have 60, 70, 80. Good job. All right, 150. 150. If it comes before 150, what number? 140. Great. 140, 150, 160. Good job. 80. Let's go over here. 80. What comes before 80? What comes before 80? 70. Great. So 70, 80, then 90. And lastly, 40. Now, what comes before 40? 30. And will 30 go right here? Now that's after real quick before, so 30 will go right here. 30, 40. What comes next? 50. So that's how you solve number one. Make sure you look at what comes before and after by 10. With number two, we are measuring the garden tools. So you're going to use your ruler using the inches. So using inside, you're going to measure the clippers, the spade, and the hoe. You're going to measure those three garden tools using the inside only with your ruler. Let's look at number three. Number three wants us to write the correct plus or minus sign. Plus or minus sign for the problems that you do have. Let's look at the first example. 6 blank 3 equals 9. Now is it 6 plus 3 or 6 minus 3 will give us 9? Now I think 6 minus 3, that is 3. That's a little bit too smaller. So that's correct. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 will give you 9. Come over to the side. 9 blank 2 equals 11. Is it 9 plus 2 or 9 minus 2? Good job. You're on the roll. 9 plus 2. And last one, 8 blank 1 equals 7. Now I think this might be a plus as well. 8 plus 1. Then again, 8 plus 1 is 9. That's not correct. Let's try that again. Try to fix this up. Good job. 8 minus 1 for that one. So that's minus. So 8 minus 1 will give you 7. So that's how you solve the problems for number 3. Make sure you take the time and either write plus or minus for that given problem. Let's flip the page over to 258. And we have to solve the problem, right? The sums. Let's start off with this problem. We have 38 plus 20 plus 11. So if you need any help, any assistance, you can always draw the line down the middle to help guide you. So remember, you always start in the ones place. So the drawing the line will help you. So what's 8 plus 0? What is 8 plus 0? That is 8. Now, 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? That is 9. For this side, 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. Great. 3 plus 2 is 5. Next, what is 5 plus 1? What is 5 plus 1? Good job. 6. And let's try one more. 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? That is 5. Now, what is 5 plus 4? We're still on the side. What is 5 plus 4? 9. All right. Now, what is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3, that's 8. And since we don't have anything right here, all we have to do is bring the 8 down. Let me fix that. So that is 5 plus 3, that is 8. So that's how you solve the problem. So we're going to be starting in ones place and then the tens. Take your time when you're adding those problems. Number 2, let's look at number 2. Number 2 wants us to set the minute hand. Notice the given time that we have is 2:45. So the hour hand is on 2. Now we have to figure out what line are we drawing to for 45. Remember, you're counting by fives to find out the minute hand. So start at 1. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I think I went too far. I'm looking for 45. Let's start over again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That's the 9. So you draw that minute hand over to the 9. And that's how you solve that first problem. That's how you find 2:45. Let's try one more example. Next we have 3:20. Notice the hour hand is on 3 and we're trying to get to 20. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's at the 4. It's at the 4. Remember? So start the one again. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's the given time, 3:20. And as we move down to number 3 wants us to draw one of each shape. So all you have to do is draw each shape that they ask you. So we're drawing a circle, a square, a triangle, a rectangle, and a trapezoid. No, it doesn't have to be the best drawing. Just give it the best you can. Let's move down to number 4. So you're going to listen as your teacher reads the story problem, and then you're going to mark the bubble under the right combination. All right. Mom made 4 tuna sandwiches and 5 peanut butter sandwiches for a picnic. What combination shows how many sandwiches Mom made? I'm going to read it again. Mom made 4 tuna sandwiches and 5 peanut butter sandwiches for a picnic. What combination shows how many sandwiches Mom made? So as you look at number 4, you have 3 different combinations. You have 5 plus 3, 9 plus 0, and 4 plus 5. What combination will match the story that I just read? And lastly, let's go down to number 5. You're writing numbers that your teacher says. So let's start off with letter A. Letter A, write the number 711. Write the number 711. Letter B. Letter B, 716. Letter B, 716. Letter C. Letter C, 729. Letter C, 729. Letter D. Letter D, 760. Letter D, 760. And letter E, 795. Letter E, 795.